Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Panvel City Municipal Corporation has crossed the 5,000 COVID-19 positive cases mark. However, the more positive news is that the situation seems to be stabilizing with 112 cases being reported on the second consecutive day in the region. The total COVID-19 positive figure now stands at 5,102. 3 deaths were reported on the day, taking the COVID toll to 121. In another positive development, the daily recovery figure has jumped to 137 today, quite few more than the new positive cases. 15,608 residents have been tested so far in the PCMC jurisdiction. The active cases figure has dropped slightly to 1,435. The total recovery figure has increased to 3,546. Results of 112 tests are awaited. The deaths are of a resident of Sector 1 in Kharghar, a resident of Sector 8 in Khanda Colony, and a resident of Line Ali in Panvel. The 112 positive patients today include 13 from Panvel, 5 from New Panvel, 5 from Khanda Colony, 18 from Kalamboli, 25 from Kamothe, 22 from Kharghar, 23 from Taloja, and 1 from another area. The 137 patients who have recovered are 33 from Panvel, 31 from New Panvel, 32 from Kalamboli, 15 from Kamothe, 24 from Kharghar, and 2 from Taloja. Of the total 5,102 positive cases reported in the PCMC jurisdiction, 877 are from Kalamboli, 1,077 are from Kamothe, 990 from Kharghar, 831 from New Panvel, 1,023 from Panvel, and 304 from Taloja. Of the total 121 deaths, there have been 22 deaths in Kalamboli, 32 in Kamothe, 12 in Kharghar, 22 in New Panvel, 23 in Panvel, and 10 in Taloja. The lockdown in Panvel region has come to an end barring the containment zones. The figures have been on the decline for the past few days. It is important that the trend is maintained. Residents need to cooperate. For Avas Today, Shahnawaz Jadi, Panvel.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.